Hello dear students, I am Varsha Desai, your science teacher for grade 2. This is a quick recap of chapter number 2, Plants are Friends. Students, when I say plants are our friend, I mean that we all depend on plants for our survival. Plants keep the air fresh. Plants हवा को fresh कैसे रखती है? They take in carbon dioxide gas from the air and it gives out oxygen gas. Okay, oxygen is used by human beings and animals for breathing. Okay, so we inhale oxygen gas. Plants make our world beautiful. So is that all that a plant does? No. Plant provide us with medicine, spices, oil, wood, vegetable, fruits, cloth and many more things, right? Now plants, they make their food on their own and they store it in the different parts of it. Now we eat it as a part of a root, stem, leaf, flowers as vegetable and seed as cereal and pulses. So two examples of leaves are cabbage and spinach. Flowers, it is cauliflower and peas. Two examples of root is carrot and turnip. They are grown under the ground. Similarly, two examples of stems are potato and ginger. Okay, we all love fruits, right? So fruit can also be used in the form of jam, jellies, pickle, juice, milkshakes and many more ways. Similarly, vegetables can be eaten raw. Some vegetables can be eaten raw, not all. Namely, carrot, cabbage, tomato, cucumber in salad. We can also use turnip and radish also. So we cannot have all the vegetables raw. So other than these vegetables, we need to cook them. And to accompany this food, we need chapati or puri, right? And they are made out of cereals. Cereals are like wheat, maize, barley, oat. They are grounded to flour to make chapati or you make noodles or bread. Rice is also a cereal. Okay. And with that you can see the picture of a dal. Okay, so this dal is again an example of pulses. So few more example of pulses are kidney beans, chickpea, green gram, lentils. So these are all the example of pulses. We cannot have them raw. You need to cook and then have it, right? So food grains are cereal and pulses are together called as food grains. Okay, they are the main source of our food. Now talking about the spices. Spices add flavor and taste to our food. So children, we require spices to add taste, right? Without taste you cannot have food. Alright. So these spices are also derived from plants. Okay, we all love sweets, right? And in sweets we put sugar, and sugar we get from sugar cane. Alright. Similarly, you will find your elderly people having tea or coffee in the morning. So tea is again derived from the leaves of the tea and coffee from coffee beans. Now in summer we all love to wear cotton clothes, alright, because it is a hot season. We are comfortable wearing only cotton clothes, and cotton clothes are derived from the plants of cotton, right? When the flowers of the cotton are ready to burst, yani when they get matured, उसमें से cotton निकलता है, right? And then they are being we make yarn out of it, and then from that you get these cotton clothes. Similarly, from jute you get jute bags, ropes and jute products. Plants also provide us with gum, papers and rubber. Now this gum is derived from acacia tree, paper from bamboo plant and rubber from rubber tree. It is actually derived from the juice of a rubber tree That juice is also known as latex. Alright, and let me tell you that the bamboo plant is one of the fastest plant that grows. Alright, now similarly we also make perfume out of sweet smelling flowers, okay, like rose, jasmine, lavender and so on are used in making perfume. You will also find the uses of plant in soap, shampoos and toothpaste. You can find neem in your toothpaste, clove in your toothpaste, flower like jasmine in your shampoos. It smells very nice. Plants are not only useful to human beings, but they are also helpful to the animals because they provide them food and shelter. So yes children, we should plant as many plants as we can. We should take care of them. We should not pluck flowers or leaves. We should not harm the trees. So let's grow and save trees. So I hope this would have been a good revision. Just recall all the points, summarize it, understand it, and till then, till we meet, have a good day, take care and bye.